Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain English opening rap part 3 video chapter 1 to chapter 6. I am going to explain one by one. Please watch until finish this video. I am going to show you 6 amazing chest rap in the English opening. Okay? Let's start with chapter 1 video. Okay. First move C4. Okay, this called this English opening. Another move of black e5 and knight c3. White move go to c3 knight. Next move is knight f6. White going to move g3. English opening calls Raymond system. Okay. Next move bishop go to c5. Okay, now bishop go to c5. Then white bishop go to g2. Okay, then d6. The black pawn go to d6, then white pawn go to e3. Okay, then another move is black knight go to c3. Okay, black knight go to c3. We will see what happening, what will going to be see. Next move, knight ge2. Okay, then bishop go to e6, attacking the c4 is here, white pawn. Then knight go to d5, white knight go to d5. If black knight go to b4, okay, another move is why black resign. We will see. Next move is knight goes b4, cut the knight, why white knight. Then bishop goes b4. Then beautiful move of queen go to a4 and we will check and wrap the bishop. Here you can see right now this queen going to cut this bishop because there is a check. If black the check with bishop, then the queen going to cut the bishop. That's it. That's why black resigned this game. Chapter 1 video, English opening raps. Okay, we can go now chapter 2. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Why black resign in 5 moves only? Let's start with c4. English opening d6. Okay, next move knight f3. English opening. Another move of black. Bishop go to g4. Then queen go to b3. Okay, we will see what's happening going to v. Then black queen go to c8. Okay, next move this h3. Now what's happening going to be? We will see. Bishop go to h5. Then queen b5 and we will check and wrap the bishop. You can see right now. Here is a check. Why queen? Queen going to check here. Then the queen wrap the bishop. Okay. That's why black resigned this game. This is chapter 2 video. We can go now chapter 3. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye. Hello everyone. This is chapter 3. Why black resign in 6 moves only? Why black resign in 6 moves? Okay, let's start with c4. English opening knight f6. English opening Anglo-Indian defense. This is called another move. Knight c3. White going to move c3. Develop the knight and d5. Attacking the bishop. Pawn by black pawn. Then d4. Next move is bishop go to f5. Okay. The black bishop go to f5. You can see right now why black resign in 6 moves. Okay. Then queen go to b3. Queen. Next move. Queen go to b3. Then knight go to c6. Okay. Another move. C cross d5. Now attacking the knight by white pawn. Then knight goes d4. Okay, attacking the queen right now. And here is a poke right now. That's why black resigned this game. We will see another move. In a4 and we will check. If cannot block the check with knight. If knight go here, the pawn is cut. Okay, understand? If go back, then knight go here, the queen is cut. Check. That's why black designed this game in 6 moves. Okay, we can go now chapter 4. Sorry, chapter 4. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. Why white resign in 9 moves? We will see why. Okay, chapter 4. Let's start with c4. English opening, knight f6. English opening, Anglo-Indian defense. Another move, knight c3. Next move is d5. Okay, now c goes d5. Accepted. Okay, then knight goes d5. Another move, g3. Okay, then knight goes c3. Cut the knight. White black knight. Then b goes c3. Okay, right now another move is black going to move e6. Okay, then bishop go to g2. Okay, we will see another move. Bishop go to e7. Black bishop go to e7. Then rook b1. Now you can see what's happening going to b. We will see white resign this game. Now we will castling make black. Okay, then bishop cross b7. Now attacking the rook. This time, beautiful move, making black. Okay, bishop cross b7. Then rook cross b7. This is a big blunder. That's why black wins. Why black wins this game? White going to lose. Okay. Okay. Then queen go to d5. Now you can see right now 2 rook here. This queen going to cut this rook. Or queen going to cut this rook. That's why white resigned this game. That's it. This is chapter 4. We can go now chapter 5. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 5. How to black wins by checkmate in 6 moves. Okay. Let's start with c4. English opening, knight f6. English opening Anglo-Indian defense. Then knight c3. Okay. Then e6. Another move of white e4. This game black going to win. We will see how to win black. Okay. Knight c6. Knight ge2. Okay. Another move d6. Then g3. Okay. Next move, knight go to e5. This is the big blunder. That's why you can see right now how to. Oh, sorry, this is not blunder. White making blunder. d4. That's why black resign. White resign. Black wins by checkmate, and white lose this. Okay. Next one move checkmate. Knight f3. That's it. Now we will checkmate with black knight. That's it. This is chapter 5. We can go now chapter 6. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6, last chapter. Why white resign in 7 moves only? Let's start with c4. Knight f6, f3, wet opening, mujannag. Okay, then e6. Okay, white resign this game. You can see how to why white resign this game. Next move, d5. Bishop go to c5. Okay, attacking the knight. Then knight go to f3, go outside, and beautiful castle making black. Okay, then b3. Then knight go to g4. After the move of h3, attacking the knight. Then beautiful move of bishop f2, and we will check. Then now only way king go to d2. Then knight e3. Wrap the queen right now. This d1 queen, right queen cannot go anywhere. That's why white resign this. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.